Hiya everyone. Right, as I promised, I've got an unboxing to do. I've had to change the camera around because the light's coming in all different directions and it's actually too light. I can't win. So I hope you can see a little bit better. In fact, I feel like you can because I can see on the camera finder that it looks like it's a little bit better for you. So I've already done my makeup look. I'm going to link the video to this one if you haven't already seen it so you can have a look. I've got like 10 minutes and I've got to be at work or something, so I'm going to have to be really quick. I've got another box here. It came the other day and it's from Olivera. Maski, she's on YouTube. She's absolutely lovely. I know what it is, I just haven't seen it before, so I've been super excited to show you. Yeah, I'm really excited. It's come all the way from Serbia and it's here. I've turned it around so you can't see any addresses. So I'm going to open this up. You'll be the first to see it with us because I haven't seen it before, but I'm so excited to see it. Oh. And I hope I haven't got my scissors. I have to pull the tape really hard. It's like getting into Christmas presents that have been wrapped like super a lot. Yeah, can I get into the box? That's it, I think I'm in. I'm really excited. Olivera, thank you very much for this. I know she's dying to see us do a look with it, so, and I'm dying to do one as well. I've got loads of palettes that I'm so excited about using. I've just used the other palette in my last video if you watch it. I hope you are enjoying all the new videos, and I do try my best to take on all of your requests, so keep them coming. Anything you want to see, I'll do my best to do it for you. I'm not getting very far, am I? I'm getting there. Right, I think I'm in. Now I've got more box. I've got more to open. Oh, I should have got some scissors. It's math. Pull it open. It's a big pink box. I love it when it's got all the different like stickers and stuff from a different country. I remember when I first started on eBay, I bought something from America, and I always wanted to live in America, by the way. Since growing up, I was fascinated with America. I always wanted to be there. So the first thing I bought from America, I asked the girl if she would put postcard for us in it, and she went and bought loads of postcards with different states in America, and I thought, oh my god, that was lush. Ooh, right, okay, wow. There's 2 packets in here. I'm just going to make sure the box is free and then I'll show you the packages. This is so exciting. Hang on. Right, alright, you ready? So I've got 2. This is exciting. You ready? Oh. I'm going to give you a clue. I've always wanted one. I'm so excited. Right, you ready? I'm going to have to be quick with this one because I have to go to work. I've got to go to work and I've just got these. I want to sit and play makeup now, but I can't. Mini Controversy Jeffree Star palette. I've always wanted, so Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson. I always wanted one of these. And she knew I did, so she bought us them. And she sent us a text on Facebook to get in touch with us to get them sent to us. So Olivera, thank you very much. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. It's not Olivia, it's Olivera. It's Maski on YouTube. So this is the palette, Controversy. And the palette, look at that, it's so cool. So it's the mini one. The colours are gorgeous. Exposed, cancelled, the simulation, my apology, controversy, diet root beer, my boyfriend's purse, cry on my couch, flat earth. My mum would love this palette because she's like a proper controversy nutter. She loves all that kind of stuff. I can't wait to use that. And then I've got this one here. It's a big packet. I don't know what's in this one. Have a look. Oh wow, what's this? Huge. Oh, I don't want to break it. Yeah, me. This is before I get to work and lift tiles. I can't get into it. I actually can't get into the box. I can't get it. It's stuck. Yeah, I can't get into the box. Oh, I'm out of breath before I've even started. Oh wow, look at that. It looks like a little tomb chest thingy. I've never ever seen inside of these before. I'm letting you see first. Oh, look at them. Wow. Wow. Oh, I tell you what, I've seen something straight away that I love the colour of. Look at that green there, Illuminati. My mum's going to love these palettes, but she doesn't wear makeup, so... anyway, this one's... Oh, this is so funny. Speaking of girly, Martin's told us to get me my ring sized and then just leave it with him because he wants me to be his wife one day. And he says to us, make sure you go and see your mum and twins and have a girly day out and get your ring sized. And I says, Martin, my mum and the twins, are you kidding? Because they're not girly, they don't wear makeup. Well, the twins do, they're starting to wear makeup and stuff and act like girly. But my mum's never been girly. So we just laughed about it and I says, no, I'll take Jordan instead. So I'm really excited. But I don't want to mention it again because I says, can I mention it in one of my videos? I don't want to put pressure on you. But he says, just leave it with us. So, yeah. I'm so excited. So this one is Ranch. This one is My Pills. My Pills? Tanacon, Diet Root Beer again. Just a Theory. Spiraling. That one, can you see what I'm pressing here? Yeah. And then Conspiracy. Pigment. Food Vibes, sorry. Trisha, Cheese Dust, Flaming Hot, the names are funny, What's the Tea, not What's for Tea, What's the Tea, Diet Cola, Not a Fact, Sleep Paralysis, Illuminati, I like that one, My Rides Here. I'm going to have fun with all these, they're so pigmented looking. The box is funny, it's so weird, it's massive, it's like a little tomb. I suppose that's what it's meant to be, isn't it? That's brilliant. Oh, lovely. It shuts nice. Solid. Nice compact. I can't wait to play with these. Olivera. Thank you very much. I hope I'm not saying your name wrong because that would be awful. It would, wouldn't it? Yeah, you'll have to put us right because I know that you're watching. I've got to get quickly ready for work. I've got all this to clean up. I haven't eaten yet. My stomach's grumbling. I've got to pick some yogurt up and I'm going to have to do a runner. So I really hope you've enjoyed my video. I cannot thank you enough, honestly. And I've got to be honest, right? I'm going to say it again and I know I'll probably bore you when I say this, but you know a little bit about why I didn't come back on YouTube for so long because I couldn't deal with it. I was having like traumatic, I couldn't come back on here. It made us feel that bad because of what had happened. But I'm so glad that I pushed ahead with it. And I'm glad I come back on my channel and I'm not letting anybody stand in the way anymore. And I hope if yous are watching and you're going through a weird similar type of experience where you're letting other people hold you back, please don't let it happen. Push forward, do what you love. Because I felt so proud of myself. Martin is so proud that he gets all teared up when he's talking to us. He's so proud of the fact that I've just pushed ahead. I'm on here. I've pushed ahead at work as well. I've gone on to full time, which I was always scared about because I don't sleep very well at all. And sometimes I'm so tired, but I've pushed ahead. I got the assistant manager's job. I'm having to learn a load there as well, and it's quite stressful sometimes, but the team is fantastic. I couldn't ask for a better team, and that helps. And the fact I love my job and I love the customers that come in because I get to talk with them and all that. But he's so proud of us and I'm so proud of myself for pushing along and getting back on here, and I think what's making us come back on here is your comments. I read them as much as I can. I get a lot more than I thought I was going to get. The views are getting better for us as well. So I know a lot more of you are tuning in, and I hope that means YouTube's doing us as a suggested video thing, because I think I'd just gone off the radar at one point and none of you could find us even when you was looking for us. So now you've found us again, and these are all coming back, and it's just fantastic. And then to be flooded with kindness like this, people sending makeup for us to use in my videos, and it's just absolutely phenomenal, and it just shows you the power of people like yous. And like I said, it's nice to get press things, but it's stuff that it's promotional. They want you to use the product to show the product. Yous have actually gone out of your way to get me these, and I really can't thank yous enough. And for all of yous to still be here after all this amount of time, yeah, I'm not going anywhere. I'm really loving it, and thank you very much for having us back and opening your arms to us with a massive warm welcome. I don't do gooey, but when I read your comments, sometimes I've had snots and tears. Yeah, so thank you. Right, I best run or I'm going to be late for work, and then I'll lose my job, and that's not good. Right, I'll see you all in a bit. Zoom.